Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to reset this Eureka ergonomic adjustable standing desk. By default this desk is right 75 centimeter, but now it is stopped on 103. And if you are facing any problem, right, if you're seeing ESR or ERR, some error if you're seeing, right, so you can easily reset it. So what you need to do is, first we need to bring this desk to default height. Default height for this desk is 75 centimeter. So I'm going to press this until 75. So until 75, right, it is stopped. Now what we need to do is to reset. Again, I need to hold this down button for some seconds. You would have seen something like height increased and decreased. One more time I want to show that. So I'm going to reset it. I need to bring it into the default height, which is 75. So 75. Now again I need to press this down button to reset. You can see that it will be raising and decreasing. You can hear some sound also. Yeah, it came down, and again it will be going to 77. So which means successfully the reset is done. If you are seeing ERR, then you can easily fix in this way. So that's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.